Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 25 power 2x equal to 50. Now take a log on both sides. Log 25 power 2x equal to log 50. Log m power p equal to p log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2x log 25 equal to log 50. Now divide by log 25 on both sides. Log 25. This log 25 cancels this log 25. So we have 2x equal to log 50 by log 25. Now 2x equal to log 2 times of 25 by log 25. Log a b equal to log a plus log b. We are going to apply this here. 2x equal to log 2 plus log 25 by log 25. Now 2x equal to log 25 by log 25 plus log 2 by log 25. This log 25 cancels this. So we have 2x equal to 1 plus log 2 by log 25. 2x equal to 1 plus log 2 by log 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2. 2x equal to 1 plus log 2 by log 5 power 2. Log m power p equal to p log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2x equal to 1 plus log 2 by 2 log 5. Now 2x equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 by log 5. We know log a by log b equal to log a raised b. We are going to apply this here. So 2x equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 base 5. Now x equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 by 2. This is x. Now we are going to verify check this with the equation 25 power 2x equal to 50. We know that x equal to 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 by 2. We are going to apply this x here. So 25 power 2 times of 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 divided by 2 equal to 50. Now this 2 cancels this, so we have 25 power 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 equal to 50. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. We are going to apply this here. 25 power 1 times 25 power 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 equal to 50. 25 power 1 is 25, 5 to the power of 2, 1 by 2 log 2 base 5 equal to 50. Now 25 times of this 2 cancels this, so 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 equal to 50. A power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this here. 25 times of 2 equal to 50. So 25 times of 2 is 50 equal to 50. So LHS equal to RHS. That's verified.